Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a little gallery like I got here. So we have 4 cards with some titles and some descriptions. And basically, so far, here's all I have from HTML, just basic setup with a section, which is also, it's just the background that we have here, nothing to do with these. We also have the CSS here, so with the section, the body, and just some basic formatting that we're doing. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so first we're going to start by adding a figure with the class of gallery. So this is what's going to hold our gallery of 4 cards. So we're going to make 4 cards. So div class equals gallery underscore underscore card. And let's just put card right here. There's 1, and we're going to put 3 more. So it should be 4. And you can't see it yet, but we'll get working on it here pretty soon. So let's go ahead and start working on some of our CSS. So let's make gallery. And what we're going to do with this is we're going to give it a width of 530 pixels, then a height of 600 pixels. Alright, then we're going to display it as a grid. And then we're going to do grid, template columns, repeat, 2, 1 fractional, or 1 FR. I don't really know exactly what it means, but basically we have 4 little sections right here. So we're doing good so far. Now let's do grid, template rows. And we're also going to do 2, 1 FR. Alright, now we're going to justify the items to center. So this will center all the items that we have on here. So as you see, we're not doing bad so far. We're doing alright. Now let's do align self, center those. And then we're going to have a row gap. Actually, let's not do that yet. Let me just give a background color to this so you guys can see what's going on. So background, where is it? Color, let's just give it green. Alright, so here we are. You can't really visualize them yet, I'm guessing. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a class for each card. So gallery underscore underscore card. And let's just do background color, I don't know, red. Just for now. So as you can see, it doesn't look too great right now. But, you know, we're going to work on it. Make it look a little better. So here's what we'll do. We're going to have an overflow of hidden. And I'll tell you guys why later. Then let's do display flex as a flexbox element. Alright, not bad so far. Oh, right. Let's do border radius as well. Because as you can see, border radius will happen right here. So might as well just add it now. And let's go ahead and do, what would look good? Yeah, how about 15? 15. Alright, so here's this so far. We got a little more to do. Alright, so we're going to start off here with another div. We're going to do div class equals. We're going to do gallery underscore underscore hero. Alright, looking good. Now after that, we're going to do div class equals, oops, gallery underscore underscore content. This will hold our content, so text. We're going to do h3. We'll just put sample text in here right now. Then later we'll format it. So as you can see, it's kind of getting a little bigger. Then we're going to do a P with the class of gallery underscore underscore text, and then we'll also just put text in here, you know, just sample text for now. Later we'll add more. Now after the gallery content, within gallery hero, we'll also then have an image source, and we're just gonna have no source for now. But we're also gonna have a class of gallery underscore underscore image. Alright, so we're getting there. Let's go ahead and add an image, might as well. So we have one in this directory. We're gonna do one JPEG, and as you can see, it's not too great looking right now. So let's go ahead and fix this. Alright, let's go to our CSS. Let's fix everything up. So after our gallery card, we're just gonna do our gallery hero. So I'm gonna do position relative. You'll understand why later. I'm gonna do width. Whoops. I'm gonna do width of 100%. Whoopsies. I'm gonna do height of 100%. So for each card, then we're gonna display it as a flex. And we don't see anything happening yet, but we will shortly. Alright. Now let's do gallery underscore content. This is where it happens. Underscore content. And we're gonna do position absolute for this one. You'll see why later. We have a height 40%. And then let's do another flex container. Let's justify them to the center. Oh, not items. We want to justify content to the center. Then we want to flex direction to the column. As a column, I should say. And you know what? Let's deal with this image right here. Because, as you can see, it's kind of getting in the way of us. And I kind of don't want to see that anymore. So, let's go ahead and fix that. So we're going to do a width of 100%. Alright, we're getting somewhere. We'll do object fit. We're going to cover. So it kind of changed it up a little bit there. And as you can see, position relative and position absolute actually made the text go inside of the image like this. So that's why I did that. So if we take that out, just for example, it wouldn't work. Remember, you need to have position relative because this will break it as well if you don't. Yeah, not the way we want it. So, as you can see, we're doing good so far. So now that we're here, we're going to go ahead and start formatting our text here. We're going to get rid of that background and also this strange card color we have here because that doesn't look good and we're not going to have that in the final product. So let's go ahead and comment out green. So no green background, we're going to comment out the red. So there's no red background. Alright, so let's get to formatting our text. So I have a resources.txt file here that has our titles and description. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that in the description for you guys. So let's go ahead and put it for the H3. We're going to put the country with the flag, which is an emoji. Alright. And then we have some sample text here, which is just some lorem. I'm going to go ahead and put it there. Not bad, not bad. There's only one problem. I don't know if you can see it, but this is a little, packed up against the side of this. So we're going to go ahead and fix that in our style. So let's go ahead and go down to our content. And we're going to add margin to our left. And we're going to do, what would be a good amount of margin? Let's do 15 pixels. Good. Now let's go here. Alright. It's looking good so far. We're also missing one more thing, so I'll show you later actually, but that's one thing. That's one card we got. So there we go. Now what we can do is we can copy and paste the card. So as you can see, we have one card here. We can go ahead and copy and paste. And another card, but as you can see, there's a problem here. There's no spacing. So what we can do is we can go ahead and back into our style and go to our grid. So where was our grid? It was right, where is it? Right here. Alright, I'm just gonna get rid of these greens. The red is bugging me. Alright, so here we're gonna add a column gap. So this is a unique property we have in CSS grid. We can add like a gap in between. So we'll do a column gap of, let's do 30 pixels. So there you go, we got 30 pixels of column gap. Now, let's add some more cards. There's 3. As you can see, there's a problem here. There's no gap there, so we can go ahead and fix that. Yeah, so we're going to do that right here. So this is called row gap. And for row gap, let's do 20 pixels. So yeah, there we go. Got row gap now. And yeah, but basically this is all done. But I'm just going to go ahead and format this all correctly. So our next card is going to be Bangkok, Thailand, and we'll go ahead and add that here. The text stays the same down here, so I don't have to worry about that. And then we'll go ahead and go to Berlin, Germany. We'll add that to this one. Then we got Rome, Italy. And we'll add that to this one. Now we gotta change the pictures. So I have some pictures pre-done or pre-put into the project in my GitHub. So here's our Thailand image. Our third image is gonna be Germany. And then our fourth image is Italy. So there we go. Oh wait, I noticed a minor difference here. I see. So right here, here's another thing we can do. You know, if you like it the way it is, that's fine. But one thing we can do is we can add a little bit of space right here in between the title and the description. So we can go to a style. We can go to our text, which is right here. Let's add a margin top to it. And what this will do is this will add some margin on the top and add space. So there we go. Now there's some space in there. Now it's perfect. There we go. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you guys found this very informational, and I hope you can use this to your advantage. CSS grid and Flexbox together can be a very beautiful thing, and this is a good example of it. I will most likely make a video on how to do Flexbox more in depth, and yeah, so if you guys want that, I could do that, and also do CSS grid. But if you guys want that, leave a comment, you know, leave like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, keep me updated with what you guys want, and hey, I'll make it. Alright, thank you.